So, grabbed some pizza, and then I noticed that my front tire in some spots were bubbling and were paper thin, really soft. So I got to get new tires. So I might as well do the back at the same time.
Hi everyone, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification below. Bye!
Let's see how much this is going to cost me. Front tires and back tire. So front tire, back tire with sealant and an oil change. I'm looking about 4,000 pesos. Yeah, that works.
320.
320, okay.
Wala na refleksyon eh. Last adjust na lang.
Wala na.
Tama na.
What did you say?
He said there's no the brake shoe is already gone because it's the last part of the brake.
The brakes I just changed like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago.
On the back.
Yeah. Yeah, I just did those brakes like a month or two. Maybe two to 3 months ago I did the brakes.
You changed the brake shoe.
Yeah, the shoe. Thank you, babe. Can you get me a bottle of water? Thank you. Gotta enjoy some water. Yesterday I just reupholstered the seat because it was torn. I got new brakes in the front. My brakes in the back was a few months ago. I had brand new, so they should still be all right. I'm due for an oil change, so while I'm doing the tires, might as well get this done. I'm looking at about 4,000 4,000 to 4,200 pesos, somewhere around there. It's about $17, $18 for each thousand. Alright, we got one tire down. So, that little round thing, what's that called again?
Fly
The 9 grams?
Fly ball.
A what?
Fly ball.
Fly ball?
Yeah.
So apparently, because I've been driving, when I go uphill, especially when I have a passenger on my bike, my girl, and I'm going uphill, I'm driving a 125cc Mio. Carl here is driving a 155?
Yeah.
155. So going uphill, he has no problem. He can accelerate, he's going. Me, I'm barely holding 40 kilometers. I struggle to hit 40 kilometers when I'm going up the hill, up the mountains, and I'm like full throttle, burning gas, and I'm not making no headway. I can't pass nothing, and I can't keep up with some people. So apparently just changing this one little thing on the bike is going to give me a lot more power. We'll see how that works. So between oil change, changing out for the torque and the power, the tires, I'm looking at about 5,300 pesos. I'm spending $80-something. So I'm trying to think while I'm here, anything else I should get done. One thing I'd love to do is get a paint job or something. I hate this blue. Like the front tire been changed. Putting it back on the bike now. This is already taking a minute to be done. Been here for probably close to an hour now. The ladies here gotta be bored out of their wits. Bored, tired? Atay.
It's almost summer.
So all that's left is an oil change. traffic right now. Oh, that definitely needs to get tightened. This needs to get tightened too. Hey. Looks like we're done. I just gotta pay up now.
Try it if you feel the power. What do you think?
Yes, okay.
You want it more powerful?
I really can't tell the difference at this low. I'd have to go really fast to
okay.
find out. So, let me go pay inside. Awesome job, buddy.
Wala yung start.
95.
Alright. What do I owe you guys?
Buy also money.
Yep.
Pwede Gcash na ko.
Kuan.
How much is that?
Gcash. Kanang...
25.
I got that. I'll pay for it. Add that to my bill.
Ah, sige. So,
Kasi
apila na ako sa libor, ana.
Tingnan ko sir na to. 6. Ang niya.
Was 95.
Kung sa yung next house.
Si Kuwenta. Wala siya, sir. 5,815 less 100, 5,705.
I thought it was 5,300 last time we calculated.
Nag-add og sir, pulley oil cell, then RS8 rubber dumper,
so 5, 3,
then
10.
dagger oil,
Okay.
5,7.
Hold it. Let me see. $6,000.
Message.
5-7 na natin.
I've got the
5,7.
5,7.
It's okay. 300. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Have a good day. All right, you ready to get out of here? What do we got going on over here? Oh, yeah. Gear oil?
Yeah, I changed my gear oil.
Ah, that should only take a minute. You only got to do that like what, once every 6 months, right?
No, if you change oil, twice, 1 gear oil. Change. Example, you change oil.
I do it every 3. I mean,
Okay. Every month, every 3 months.
Yeah, every three to
It's
4
okay.
months.
Hey everyone, please like, share.
Subscribe and click the notification bell.
Oh my